We'll slice the salmon fillets into a crisscross blooming shape. Fry them until crispy, and pair them with an amazing sweet and sour sauce. This is a really fun way to make salmon, and they're so crispy and so tasty. Let's get started! Here we have about 1 pound of salmon fillet, skin on. The skin will help them to stay in one piece while frying. Slide each salmon fillet crosswise, without cutting through the skin. Each cut is about ½ inch apart. Then slice the salmon fillet lengthwise. Do the same with the rest. Season them with salt and white pepper. Coat them with cornstarch. And dust off the excess. In a pot over high heat, add the oil. Heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully put in the salmon fillets. Fry until crispy for about 3 minutes. Remove and drain. In a pot over medium heat, add the water, ketchup, rice vinegar, sugar, cilantro stems, and red bell pepper. Add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until the sauce is thickened. We could serve the sauce on the side or drizzle it over the salmon. Salmon is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and minerals. It helps to improve brain functions and decrease the risk of heart problems. My family eats salmons at least once a week. My 2 daughters just love them. Happy cooking and enjoy! It is super amazing, crunchy and crispy, and I just love the sweet and sour sauce. It's so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!